Okay, welcome back to MaxsGarajMahal. All this is just a little shout out to Kastar Battery Company. And as we all know, I use a lot of batteries. It takes a lot of batteries to make these videos, and this particular box I've had since I don't know if this cord's long enough, but I've got this thing over here, the tester or the charger, and I just pushed the doggone there you go. And as you can see, if I can get you close enough, this is a 4-year-old battery, and it's a little past its prime, but as you can see, it's still got 97% charge in it, and that's what you want out of a battery. You don't want to buy a battery that won't last 3 or 4 years. And here is an big old huge battery I bought, but here's what I'm going to show you is, look what brand of charger it's in. Kastar, great charger, and I've used a heck out of that thing. I mean, I use it a lot. One of the things I like about it is it's a dual port, so I can put 2 of these batteries, these huge batteries in it, or I can put 2 of these in it right here. And as you can see, that's that Kastar battery that's 4 years old, and it works perfectly till this day. And you can see it's got a little bit of charge left to go in it. I don't know if you can see it real well or not. There we go. So it's at 97%, and it's trying to get the rest of it. So let's do this. We're going to unbox this brand new battery, and this is the reason why I'm giving you the call out. I purchased this battery back in May, and I've been really ill. I'm trying to fake feeling good, so I'm out here to shoot this just so you people that need to buy a product that does you right. I bought a battery, replacement battery for one of those 4-year-olds. And I bought it in May, and it was about 10 days ago, and I had to be doing something. But this is a brand new battery, as you can see. It's still wrapped and sealed, just took it out of the box, got it out of the mail yesterday. And I asked them if the other battery was only taking, I think 57% charge was all it would take. I actually threw that battery away. And I contacted them, asked them had they gotten some bad batteries, because I've had such good luck with their chargers, their batteries for both the camera and for the monitor over there. And I mean, they've just done an excellent job. And this is for a Sony E-type, well, it's A-type camera, and it's an NP FM500H. See if I can get that where you can see it. There you are. And it's done an excellent job, but this is a brand new replacement, and they says, well, let us replace that. So they did, and let's see what it comes in with. Because, you know, I'm gonna tell you up front, lithium batteries have to be sent out for less than maximum charge for safety. All right, this one's at 6%. Let me see if I can get that where you can see it. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to leave it for about an hour or 2. And if it's not too hot, it's already about 95 degrees, and it's killing me. And if I start coughing on you, I apologize, but so what I can do. I'm going to come back and I'm going to check this and see what's it's at and show you guys, because this is strictly a shout out to Kastar for being stand-up people. They're not paying me for this. They had no idea I was going to do this. But when someone does me a solid, I like to make sure I take care of them. And they've done that for me. So let's see what this battery do. And this is my most expensive charger and been my best. It will tell you exactly, and I have found it to be very accurate. I would give them a shout out, but they no longer exist. They were too expensive and people didn't buy enough of them. So that's on you and me. All right, so we'll be back shortly. In the arms of an angel, fly away from here. Hey, welcome back. Okay, so here we are. This is a little bit early. It's been about 45 minutes or so, maybe about like that. And we are at 98%. That's not bad. Alright, so here's the old battery. This is one of the originals, and as you can see, I marked them 1, 2, 3, 4 as such. Okay, let's do something real quickly before we test the new one. Let's test the old one, and I'm going to blind you here in just a moment just to see how bright this old one is. And if I remember right, this was at well, I hate to take it off there so we won't. Let's say it's somewhere around, I had it on the monitor a minute ago too, so alright, here we go. But I would say it's probably around at least 85-90%. Are y'all ready for this? Cover your eyes, because first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to switch this sucker on. Now that's down as low as it'll go, but get ready for it. What do y'all think about that? Now I know the camera really will try to adjust for the ISO of the lighting. That's pretty bright. I mean, this will absolutely blind you. And there you go. That'll give you an idea a little bit better. Alright, so at 98%, again, let me pull her over here. At 98%, let's see just how bright that little puppy is. Sucker's hot. Means it's doing something. Alright, so we got to push this button in to get that sucker out of there. Alright, we'll put that on the charger before we even check this one. And let's just see how far down that one is before we go too far along here. Alright, let's see if we can see that. 85%. Oh, that's pretty close. Pretty close. I know my batteries. Alright, so now this one, as you can see, is unmarked. This is just, y'all were with me a moment ago when I took it out of the box. Has no markings on it of any kind, other than the labels that Kastar put on it. So now, let's put that puppy in here. And it's got two little studs right there, but down here, that these go into, just like this. I'm doing this backwards so it don't work out too well, huh? Alright. Make sure I got that flat in there. Alright. Boy, it's a lot easier to do when you're facing it and doing it straight up. It's got some lugs it's got to go into here. You see on the side? Oh, also helps you turn it the right direction. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, you hear that snap? Crackle and pop? Alrighty. Now then, switch this booger on. Would y'all say that's as bright as the first one? If not brighter? Get my hand out of your way. As you can see, once again, the camera does its thing, which is great. Now, well, the camera keeps wanting to shut her down, but there you go. What do you think about that? Kastar, man, I tell you, I've always enjoyed your batteries, and I do appreciate that you've stood up here and done the right thing and replaced a bad battery. And I want to give you credit for it, and that's all this video is for. I'm not selling your batteries. I wished I had some support and had all kinds of batteries that I need, but I don't. And if you want to step up and come aboard, that's great, but I'm not asking you to. I'm just saying here it is, and thank you for being a good company with a great product, and I appreciate it very much. And if any of you guys out there needs these rechargeable batteries for all your products, like your cameras and your camcorders and your they've got them for your, I hate to say names, but for your action cameras, you know who they are. And they've got them, as you can see, I use them on these lighting systems. I use them on my monitors. I got a couple of different monitors here, and anyway, they do a great job. So we hope you'll give them guys a holler and let them know that Max over at MaxsGarajMahal sent you by. And they don't have a code for you. Sorry, I haven't talked to them. This is just a surprise for them. So maybe we'll get you a code. Who knows? I'll talk to them. So as we always say here at MaxsGarajMahal, we appreciate you coming by. Thank you for watching. Give me a like. Share these videos. And again, as we always say at MaxsGarajMahal, y'all come back see us now. You hear?
Tell me true.